What's up, bros? Just got my Holy Stone drone. Nice rubberized handle. Hard case. Really nice. Boom. Got a compartment pocket there. Instruction manual. Now, I previously opened all of this. These are 4 propellers, extra, with the screwdriver and screws. Those are the 4 propellers. Those are the screws. And that is the screwdriver. That's the charging cable. I think 18 inches long. It's the charging dock for 2 batteries. Port 1, power. Port 2. Port 1 and 2. Port 1 charges first. When it's done, it'll go to charge part 2. But as it's charging port 1, I believe it's trickle charging port 2. And it does flash as red while it's charging, and it'll turn green when it's done. I keep my phone for the case. This is the remote. Everything has a nice little lock to it. That right there is the AA batteries. Takes 2. You gotta adjust these to have them swing down a little bit, because you have your phone docking there. Joysticks. And boom. That's the power to the drone. Camera. There goes the battery. You gotta watch that battery. It comes like that too. Those are the lights at the bottom there. Now the battery has a foam that I keep because it keeps it from connecting to the drone while it's in the case, which I like. That's the button. Those are the rubberized landing gear like. You open the bottom first, and when you close it top first. Brushless motors. Pretty whispery quiet. That's the SD card port. Those are the running lights. Those are little rubber pads so the motors won't crash into the drone itself, which is pretty nice. Power button. Back to this beautiful case, nice and sturdy. Take this on trips. Beautiful ballpark back there with a lake. Nice scenery. Testing out the 360 spin. There I go. That is the circle around me feature. Little off-centered, but it's hard to see my phone. That's the follow me feature there. And I'm off. The grass was a little high, that's why I'm running like that. And it was on low speed as it was following me, so I don't know if you can have it on high speed. Here's my little landing area. Here I come. Just me getting the hang of it. First time tinkering with it. Was very excited. Still trying to get that Circle Me feature down pat. There goes a little tear, because I finally kind of got it. Thumbs up. I think at this point the battery was dying, and it took me to about 50 feet, and it wouldn't go any higher. Now, I did try walking underneath the drone to see if it'll stop, because I was underneath it, but that ain't happening. And touchdown. That was the automatic return home. There's a picture there. Looking nice and sleek and beautiful. Look at that. The red lights are the front and the green are the back. I think it should be vice versa. These are the landing lights here. It's me just taking off up into the air. And you see how the propellers work. Right now I'm out there. I think it was at 100 plus maybe. If I'm not mistaken, this is, yep, I think this is the part here where I was up in the air and it went down to about 50 and the alarm was going off. I spread the camera here because, you know, it takes its time landing, but the batteries were dying and it returned home on its own, which I was a little bit surprised and wasn't like cool. no worries, and it landed right where I took off from. Change the batteries, I'm ready to go. That's where that second battery comes in. You can continue playing, enjoying yourself. Straight up into the air. Now mind you, some of this footage is from my cell phone, and I got a 6 Plus, so she's kind of old. And some of the videos, some of the part of the video here is from the drone itself. I'm gonna check out the speed here. There it goes. Shit, I thought I was gonna hit that gate, and I took off up. Shoom. She moves. Nice smooth controls. Not jerky at all. Coming back. A lot of fun. She's not loud at all.